everyone, welcome back. Today I thought we would talk about a new collection from Wet n Wild called the Zodiac collection. Now I'm kind of noticing that a lot of brands are coming out with a Zodiac type theme or collection, which is kind of nice. It's just something different, especially this time of year. It always seems like things kind of lag when you're transitioning between two seasons. So but anyway, Wet n Wild came out with a Zodiac collection. They have it on their website as well as exclusive to Walmart. So the products are very inexpensive, and I'll have all the information, the prices, where you can purchase down in the description box. So if you like this video, please make sure that you like and subscribe, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments what your thoughts are on this collection. All right, going into it, I went ahead and I did my basic makeup. So for foundation, this is nasty, but I used my Nars Sheer Glow. I literally used just a few dots all over my face, and then I blended that in on my brush, my It Cosmetics Air brush. Anyway, my brush, and then I sprayed it with a little bit of Fix Plus just to sheer it out. And it's super hot here. There's really probably no reason for foundation, but I did throw a little bit on today. For concealer, I used the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I did put on a little bit of bronzer, the Hoola bronzer today I used, and I used my Lancome Plum blush. It's filthy dirty, but there it is. So some products that I haven't maybe pulled out for a while, I went ahead and I pulled out. There's a eyeshadow palette in this collection, a highlighter, and then some lip glosses. So that's why I went ahead and did my basic makeup. And then I'm also going to use some other products, obviously my mascara, that sort of thing. I went ahead and did my eyebrows as well, and put a little bit in my crease. It just needed a matte. These are very shimmery, some of them glittery shades, so I just wanted something a little bit matte as well. And I used my Reveal 3 Coastal Scents palette for that. I used a little bit of this in my brows. I don't do much with my brows, so I just kind of darkened them up a little bit. And I did this all over my crease, and the shade right next to it right here is what, I'm sorry, all over the lid, and this was in my crease, this shade. So just some matte shades, just some foundation, basically, to put on. So the first thing I thought I would do would be my eyeshadow. And this is the eyeshadow palette. Now, mine is all in the Air. There's 4 different basic collections for all the zodiac signs to fall into. They broke them up that way. So there's Air, Earth, Water, and Fire. I'm an Aquarius. My birthday's in January, so I fall in the Air category. So this is the eyeshadow palette for Air. Really pretty shades. So I thought I would go ahead and finish up this eye look. This brown color right here, that's what I'm going to use on my, okay, I'm going to use my mirror. On my outer, just blend that up just a little bit, just to add, oh, that does a nice job. I haven't really tried these out yet, so this is the first time for me to really try them. I'm going to put my hair up here in just 2 shakes because it's already on my last nerve. Long bangs will. All right, there you go. There you go. The color payoff is really nice. I'm going to go ahead and swatch that for you. I guess I'll do it this way. Ooh. And I believe this palette is in the $4 range. Quite impressed. So there's some quick, I don't know if you can see them. You can't see them. That's going to have to get edited out. So anyway, the color payoff is really, really good for what the cost of this palette is. Like I said, it's in the $4 range. I'm also going to take a little bit of this pink shade right here and just pop that on my lid right next to that brown and kind of blend it in a little bit. I'll probably have to go back with that brown, but just to warm up the lid just a little bit. Trying to figure out what I want to do. Oh no, that's really pretty. And then I think this shade right here, this lighter pink, I guess you really can't tell, but it goes from gold to like a lighter pink. I'm just going to pop that just a little smidge right there. And then I'll blend all of that. Oh, yeah, maybe a little touch right there. The color payoff is amazing. For a $4 palette, kind of blend. Okay, I lost some of the brown on that side, so I'm going to add a little bit more. Just to blend. And there you go. There's nice. For $4? Heck yeah. So, and then I got the highlighting bar in Air as well. And it's a pretty, if I can open it, it's a pretty pink highlighter. It has some gold and it is, I mean, it's highlighter, but it's shimmery. I mean, I'm just telling you. I'm going to use this Real Techniques. I know it's a foundation brush, but it works really well for highlighter just to kind of get it where you want it and be able to blend that out and like sheer it out a little bit. Oh, that is nice. Woo! I don't know if you can tell, but holy moly, that is some powerful stuff right there. A little on the Cupid's bow. See that pop? Oh. Boy, there is no reason we spend a lot of money on highlighter when the stuff like this is out there. This is great. So, there you go. That's the highlighter palette. Now, there's 3 lipstick shades. Let's see how I want to do this. Okay, the first one is a sparkly pink. I don't know if you can tell. It's like a sheer pink with loads of glitter in it. And this is the Libra shade. I did try these out. This is just straight up pink, like sheer with pink glitter. Beautiful would be, this would be used beautifully over a lipstick. This would make any lipstick look gorgeous. I'm not going to try it out only because it's sheer, you're not going to be able to see it with the lights and everything. But the other one is Gemini, and that's a straight gold. That's a straight gold shade. And again, this would look really pretty if you have lipstick on and you just want to pop a little bit of that right here on your lips just for a little lip highlight. Would be gorgeous. So that's Gemini. And the one I'm going to wear today is my actual shade. It's the Aquarius shade. And that's absolutely what it's called underneath. It also has the sign on the top. I am going to use a little bit of lip liner. And this is from Real Her, and it's called I Love Myself. It's in a nudie shade. I don't know if that's a technical term, but it's a nudie shade. Anyway, so kind of line my lips. Boy, that highlighter is just beaming. And it's nice because it's not, it's glowy. It's not like you're putting a disco glitter ball on your face. I've used some highlighters that are straight, like, I'm sorry, it's so hot up here. It's like putting a straight glitter ball right up on your cheekbones, and you look like a disco. Yeah, it's not good. This is not like that. This is very finely milled font. It's gorgeous. Okay, sorry. All right, anyway. Ugh. Now, I'm sure the color is just a little bit different because of that lip liner, but The other nice thing about these lip glosses is they are very long wearing. I wore that sheer glitter one yesterday, and it's great. They're not, I mean, they're a lip gloss, but they're not sticky where if your hair's gonna get in them and it's like they attract everything. Not like that. They're just a nice, smooth, wonderful feeling, moisturizing lip gloss for I think they're $2. Can't beat that. Can't beat it. All right, I'm gonna do something else with my eyes just to finish them off. I am gonna use a little laundry's done. Real life. Little eyeliner. It's the It Cosmetics in black. I mainly just put this right here in the corner. Right here in this corner. Now I am going to darken that up a little bit with a little bit of black eyeshadow, but I just need to get some of this on there. I am going to tightline, not for the faint at heart. Now I only tightline half my eye on the top. I don't go all the way in and I don't do that. It just upsets my contacts. My contacts do not like that, so I don't do it. I just go back into my Coastal Scents, into the black, and I did a tiny, tiny amount on my brush and just kind of buff that into the eyeliner for a few reasons. First of all, again, like I told you, it's like 90 degrees outside today. I probably will end up doing something outside, and this will just ensure that not only is it on there, but my eyeliner will last all day. It will not run down my face. Nothing. It just kind of sets that eyeliner and it doesn't run down my face. Looks like I have a ton underneath, but I really don't. So there's that. Throw on a little bit of mascara. I am using the L'Oreal Paradise. Now this is the primer. It has the matching mascara. So I'm going to throw a little bit of this on. I just do a light coat of the primer. And then this will last all day for me as well. I've noticed using this primer. Now this is a newer mascara for me. I know it wasn't what was in my favorites. Somebody was talking about this on one of the channels that I watch. And I thought I would give it a try because a couple people had been raving about it. And I'm just, I don't do, I said that before. I don't use drugstore mascara. It seems to break off my eyelashes. But I've just been very consistent when trying this out to make sure that I am using the coconut oil on my eyelashes. Even if I'm not using it that night on my entire face, I make sure that I rub that onto my eyelashes. Now it does do a great job as well as getting that off of my eyelashes. Now that I have it, I don't know why that's so clumpy today. But it will take the mascara off of the eyelashes as well as condition them. Well, I went crazy for you. I even put some on the bottom. So there you go. There's the finished look. That highlighter is just, and I'm actually really impressed with the eyeshadow as well. All right, well, I will insert some pictures here at the end of the finished look so you can kind of see better. And please make sure if you like this video to like it and make sure you subscribe. I do post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thanks so much, everyone. I hope to see you again soon. Bye.